So from the 31st of August, in-stream ads is no longer going to be available. Facebook has already published this, that from the 31st of August, in-stream ads will no longer be available. What we'll be having now is content monetization. So have you been able to set up your content monetization, or you're still having issues till now on how to go about setting your content monetization? If you've not been able to do that, please watch this video to the very end. So Facebook has brought out a post that from the 31st of August, in-stream ads is no longer going to be available. For those who are still not conversant with all these names that we keep calling, remember before now, if you're monetized or you already been monetized for years, you realize that it used to be your in-stream ads, like where you have your long form content earning you money. And we have other monetization tools like stars, subscription, your reels, and or what have you. Right now, everything has been embedded into what is called content monetization. And for some persons, they have still not been able to get into this content monetization program, which rolled out last year. It actually rolled out in October of 2024. Now, if you're in third world countries like Nigeria, Ghana, you might still be having a little bit of hiccup switching from your in-stream ads to content monetization. Okay, so I'm going to be showing you how to go about that in this video. So if you already have in-stream ads before now, this is going to be easy for you. So you just go ahead to set up your content monetization. You click on the setup. Once you click on setup, you click on this sign up right here. Now, for example, I already have my in-stream ads set up, so it is very, very easy. All I need to do is link everything up together, and immediately you're going to see content monetization added to your monetization tools, which you can see right on my screen. Now you can see that right there. Content monetization has been added to my monetization tools on Facebook. You can also see the other monetization tools I had before content monetization was added. So remember I said, because I already have in-stream ads, my account details, all those things were already added before now, so it was very easy for me to just go ahead and set up. So you can see my profile picture right there, and this is my own particular page. So I'm also going to show you how you can go ahead to set up from the very, very beginning. Yes, I'm going to do that in this particular video. I just had to show you that if you already have in-stream ads, you've already done the proper setup. This is all you need to do, and you have content monetization added. In a couple of hours, you're going to see all the what you can do. Remember, on content monetization, your text, your reels, your videos, all of them are now in one video. So you're going to be seeing that in a couple of hours again. Once you check, you see that Facebook has added your text, your reels, your stories, all of that, what you're earning on each of them. Facebook has added it, which is exactly what you're seeing right here. My photos, my text, my reels, videos, everything has been added right here. Now, if you've not done this process before, you have not gone through the monetization process, like you have not actually filled the requirements for your monetization, this particular video is going to show you how to go about it. It is very, very easy. All you need to do is just fill the forms that will be shown on my screen. So on your professional dashboard where you see content monetization set up, you click on setup, and the next thing you're going to be seeing is this get started. So you're going to click on get started. Once you click on get started, it takes you to set up payout account. For me, I've already been earning on Facebook for a while. In fact, I started from when I couldn't earn from my country. I had to get somebody who is in a monetized country to help. So you're seeing a lot of names right here until I was able to do it myself, and now we are on content monetization. So the next thing we're going to do is add new business. This is because you are a new person. This is the first time you are setting up. For me, who has done this setup before, that is not what I am going to be doing. So because I'm trying to show you this, that is why I am doing what I am doing. I'm trying to show you. For me, I will just go ahead and do it, which I'll be showing you at the end of the video. But for you, this is it. So you're going to enter your legal name, your legal son name. Your legal name, your legal son name is the name you are known with, like your passport, your ID. That name you're known with is the name you're going to enter there. So the next step is what you're seeing right here, which is your country. your country, you enter the country where you're monetizing from. For the business type, you're going to enter individual. There are just 5 stages to this thing, so we're already on the 3rd one now. I'm doing this very fast. I would advise you to save this video so it will be easy for you. Now the next will be to link your bank account, like your bank, your local bank. A lot of times I get people ask questions like, am I supposed to use online bank and all of that? Please try and use your local bank, a bank you already have, your USD account. So all you need to do is manually link your bank. If you have PayPal, you can go ahead to use PayPal, but I would advise to use your local bank. So once you do that, you set up, you'll be getting mails from what's it called, Facebook, Meta, when you're doing all this process. So the next step will be to add your tax ID. Like this one, I'm going to allow you watch this particular part. Please watch this particular part very well. Just follow exactly what I am doing right here. Now, like I said, this is for somebody who is doing this for the first time. This is because you are doing yours for the first time. That is why it is like this. So please go ahead and just do exactly what I am doing right here. So for those who have already done this kind of setup before, yes, if you've done this kind of setup before, you won't need to do this all over again. For you who already have your details, all you need to do is just click. Don't worry, I'm going to show you immediately I'm done with this. So once you're done with this tax ID thing, this is very, very important. I've done videos talking about how to get your TIN, tax identification number, or if you have a registered business, you can use that also. So once we are done with this, like we are almost done with this particular process. Yes, it's very, very easy. You can watch other videos. Yes, I'm going to click on next. Once I click on that next, you can see you can now earn, or you can now use content monetization. That is for me. So my own was just very easy. I didn't spend up to 2 minutes doing this actually. So when I go back to my professional dashboard and I click on that content monetization, yes, once I click on content monetization, you will see that everything is now under content monetization. It's not telling me to set up again. So I can earn, you can tell me I can even earn from my stories. Like you can earn from practically everything you do on your page right now. So now I was expecting it to show. Remember I told you that I'd set up this some time ago on one of my pages, because this one is my other page that I was just setting it up. I was waiting to see the photos, those things. So I waited for a few minutes, then I went back to content monetization. Yes, and this is exactly what I was looking for. How much I'm earning on my reels, how much I'm going to be earning on my videos, how much I'm going to be earning on photo, text, stories. I was like, yeah, this is exactly what I wanted to see. So go ahead and try yours out and let me know how you're able to do it in the comments. So guys, we have some days till the end of August 31st, and I would advise to go ahead and switch to content monetization so you don't have yourself battling with a whole lot of things. For those who have not met the requirements, we will actually see what's going to happen after the 31st of August. What is Facebook going to be saying after 31st of August? If you've not met the requirement, you can still try as much as possible to meet the requirement. Try and get your TIN, try and get your dollar account, so that once you meet up with the requirement, you can also apply for content monetization. This right here is for people who have already met up with the requirement. You're met up with the requirement, you have your TIN and you have your dollar account. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching this video. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe. Just subscribe and turn on your post notification. If you have questions for me, please let me know in the comment section. I also have a course that I'll be linking in my description box on all you have to know about creating content on Facebook, from creating your page, everything about your content course, like your course on content monetization. And through this course, you can also have a one-on-one with me, putting you through everything you need to know about content monetization or creating content on Facebook. So thank you so much for watching. If you're new, once again, please subscribe and turn on your post notification.